Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to plan and organize your gardening tasks in Notion, your full guide for 2025. The first step is to create a new page in Notion called Gardening Tasks. This is the heart of our gardening organization system, where we'll keep track of everything. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all things gardening, so we can easily find and keep track of our tasks. Now that you've got your Notion page set up, it's time to create a table. In this table, you'll list your tasks, such as planting, watering, pruning, and so on. Each task gets its own row. This helps us because it provides a visual structure for our tasks, making it easier to manage our gardening efforts. Next up, we're adding properties to our tasks. These might include the task's due date, status, and the plants involved. Just click on Add a Property to do this. Let me explain why this matters. By adding information about each task, you'll be more organized. You'll know exactly when to do a task, what state it's in, and which plants are involved. Now let's add the final touch to our Notion gardening system. Using the filter feature, create filters to view tasks by their status or due date. This is a powerful way to stay on top of your gardening tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The filters allow you to customize your view, focusing on tasks that need your attention first. That's it. You've just learned how to plan and organize your gardening tasks in Notion. Remember, the key to a successful garden is not just your green thumb, but also your organization skills. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.